Hello students, in previous videos we have studied about the basic concepts of feedback, different topologies of feedback and derivation of feedback topologies. And in this video we will see some numericals which is related to feedback amplifier. So let's start. So the first question is, calculate the gain of a negative feedback amplifier with internal gain, means this is open loop gain, A equal to 200 and feedback fraction beta equal to 1 by 20. So the gain of the amplifier with negative feedback is given by AF equal to A divided by 1 plus A beta. We know that the gain with feedback AF equal to A divided by 1 plus A beta. Here A equal to 200 and beta equal to 1 by 20. So putting this value in the equation, we have A is 200 and beta is 1 by 20. So 200 divided by 1 plus 200 into 1 by 20. So we have AF equal to 200 divided by 20 plus 1 equal to 200 divided by 21 equal to 9.5. So this is the value of gain with feedback. Now let us see once again. Here A is 200 and beta equal to 1 by 20. So AF equal to 200 divided by 1 plus 200 into 1 by 20 equal to 200 divided by 21 equal to 9.5. So let's see next problem. So in this problem, the overall gain of multi-stage amplifier is 100. When negative feedback is applied, the gain reduces to 10. Find the fraction of output that is fed back to the input. So in this problem, we have to find the value of beta. So let us see once again the problem. The overall gain of multi-stage amplifier is 100, means here A equal to 100, and when negative feedback is applied, then the gain is reduces to 10, means here AF equal to 10. Then find the fractions of the output that is fed back to the input. We have to find beta. So let us see. We know that AF equal to A divided by 1 plus A beta. We know that gain with feedback AF equal to A divided by 1 plus A beta. Here AF equal to 10 and A equal to 100. So putting this value in this equation. So we have AF is 10. So 10 equal to 100 divided by 1 plus 100 into beta. So rearranging the equation, this is multiplied by this. So we have 10 plus 1000 beta equal to 100. So beta equal to 100 minus 10 divided by 1000. Here 1 0 is more, so this is 1000. So beta equal to 100 minus 10 divided by 1000 equal to 90 divided by 1000. 90 divided by 1000 equal to 0 0 is cancelled out, and we have beta equal to 9 by 100 equal to 0.09. So this is the value of beta. Beta equal to 0.09. So this is the value of beta in the given problem. So this is problem. In this question, in a negative feedback amplifier, A equal to 100, beta equal to 0.05 and Vs equal to 50 millivolt, then find gain with feedback, output voltage, feedback factor and feedback voltage. So in the negative feedback amplifier, A equal to 100, beta equal to 0.04 and Vs equal to 50 millivolt, then find the gain with feedback, means here we have to find AF, output voltage means here we have to find VO, and feedback factor means here we have to find the feedback factor beta A, and feedback voltage means here we have to find feedback voltage beta V naught. So we know that the gain with feedback AF equal to A divided by 1 plus beta A. We know AF equal to A divided by 1 plus beta A. Here A is given as 100, beta is 0.04. So AF equal to 100 divided by 1 plus 0.04 into 100 means here the value of AF is 20. AF is 20. Means next we have to find output voltage. We know that output voltage VO equal to AF into Vs. Output voltage VO equal to AF into Vs. Here AF is 20 and Vs is 50 millivolt. So 20 into 50 millivolt equal to 1 volt. So the value of output voltage VO equal to 1 volt. Then third parameter is feedback factor. So we know that the feedback factor is beta A. So in the question beta is 0.04 and gain without feedback is equal to 100. So beta A is equal to 0.04 into 100 equal to 4. And next parameter is feedback voltage. We know that feedback voltage is equal to beta V naught. So beta is equal to 0.04 and output voltage is 1. So feedback voltage beta V naught equal to 0.04 into 1 equal to 0.04 volt. So these are the 4 parameters. One is gain with feedback AF, second is output voltage V naught, third is feedback factor beta A, and fourth is feedback voltage beta V naught. So this question is solved, and next we have to see next question. So this is the fourth problem. In this question, with the negative feedback, an amplifier gives an output of 100 volt and with an input of 0.5 volt. When the feedback is removed, it requires 0.25 volt input for the same output. Then calculate gain without feedback and feedback fraction beta. So in this questions, when feedback is applied, the output 10 volt is given by 0.5 volt input, and when feedback is removed, then output 10 volt is found by 0.25 volt input. So we have to calculate the gain, means open loop gain A, and feedback fraction beta. So we know that gain without feedback, what is the value of gain without feedback? Equal to output voltage VO divided by Vin. So in the question, VO is 10 volt, VO equal to 10 volt, and Vin equal to 0.25 volt. So gain without feedback A equal to 10 divided by 0.25 equal to 40. So gain without feedback is equal to 40. So next, gain with feedback. We know that gain with feedback AF equal to VO by input. So here VO is 10 and input is 0.5 volt. So gain with feedback is equal to 20. 10 divided by 0.25 equal to 20. So we know that the relation between gain with feedback and gain without feedback, which are known as AF and A, AF equal to A divided by 1 plus A beta. We know AF equal to A divided by 1 plus A beta. So in the question, AF equal to 20 and A equal to 40. So 20 equal to 40 divided by 1 plus 40 into beta. So 20 is gain with feedback and 40 is gain without feedback. So rearranging the equation, multiply this by this, this by this. So we have 20 multiplied by 1 plus 40 beta equal to 40. So 20 plus 800 beta equal to 40. So beta equal to 40 minus 20 divided by 800. So beta equal to 1 by 40. So here feedback fraction beta equal to 1 by 40. So this problem is solved, and let us see next question. So in this problem, an amplifier with voltage gain of 60 dB uses 1 by 20. This is by mistake, this is 1 by 20, this is misprint, of its output in negative feedback. Then determine the gain with feedback in dB. So here we have to find gain with feedback, means AF in dB. We know that gain in dB equal to 20 log 10 into A. This is the formula of gain in dB. So here A equal to 60 dB. A equal to 60 dB. This is gain without feedback in dB. So the gain A is given as 60 or 60 equal to 20 log 10 into a. So log 10a equal to 60 divided by 20. So this is 3. So log 10a equal to 3. So a equal to 10 to the power 3 equal to 1000. So gain A is equal to 1000 and feedback ratio beta equal to 1 by 20. Feedback ratio beta equal to 1 by 20 equal to 0.05. This is 0.05. This is feedback fraction. So we know that AF equal to A divided by 1 plus beta A equal to 1000 divided by 1 plus 0.05 into 1000. On solving them, we have found AF equal to 19.6. So this is AF, or gain with feedback AF equal to 19.6. So the gain in dB is equal to 20 log 10 into AF. So 20 log 10 into 19.6 equal to 25.85 dB. So this is the gain with feedback in dB. So students, this video is completed and I will discuss some numericals in the other video. So thank you and take care.